January 10, 2021. Konting snow dito sa Texas. Madulas na ito mamaya. Pagka nag-melt na yung stone, magiging ice. Kaya delikado na mag-drive. Nag-ice na sa bird bath. Hi, Kit. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi, Mama Kit. Mama Kit. Yes, Mama. Mama Nini. Nini. Hi, Mama Nini. Hi, lovely. Hi, love. Hi, lovely. Hi, baby girl. Ala. Yes, Papa naghiwa ng manok, oh. Ma. Mama luto almusal, oh. Video ko.
Ha?
Video. Video. Oh. Para saan yung mainit na tubig. Oh, gusto niyo Adidas? Para saan yung mainit tubig, ha? Hi, lovely. Hi, baby girl. Maya. Oh, Mama ni. Honey.
Pagpalan ko yung turmeric na.
Oh. Lovely. Hi, girlie. Hi, honey. Okay, let's go outside. Come on. Let's go. Let's go outside. Let's go outside, Mama. Let's go. Let's go outside. Let's go outside, Mama ni. Love, you wanna go outside? Come on. Let's go outside. Let's go. Come on. Let's go outside. Come on. Hi, Lucky. Let's go. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Hi, chocolate. Chocolate. Lovely, come on. Let's go. Hi, chocolate. Hi, Papa Scooty. Lucky. Papa Scooty. Chocolate na, na. Hi, Tex. Tex. Come on, let's go. A bit cold, huh? Hi, chocolate, my big boy. Chocolate's a big boy. Yeah. Hi, Papa Scooty. Hi, Papa Scooty. Tick, tick, tick. Come on, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Yan, ang snow dito. Snow. Konting-konting snow. Wala nang dahon yung mga puno dahil cold season na ngayon dito. Fall na siya. Winter. Aking sampagita.